Welcome to Woodberry Park. From all of us at TVAV Installations, we hope you'll be very happy. Working alongside Berkeley Homes, the TVAV Installations Home Hub ensure that all your digital needs are met. By watching this easy-to-follow video, we want to ensure that as soon as you move in, you can connect everything up and start watching high-definition TV, surf the internet, listen to music, and use your telephone. Let's start at the beginning. Once you locate your electrical cupboard, you'll find your home hub. Inside, you'll find everything you need to set up your home entertainment. A bag of 10 patch cables, 2 HDMI leads, a Wirestorm HDMI converter, and a TP-Link Ethernet switch. This video is separated into 3 sections, so you can step-by-step follow along: telephone and internet, satellite and digital television, and audio capability. This is the row of sockets running along the bottom. In every room you'll find numbered Cat6 sockets that tally with the numbers on the patch panel. You'll also find what's known as a TV aerial socket in most rooms. Your first instruction is to plug your TV aerial cable into the TV aerial socket in your living room or bedroom and into your TV. Now your digital freeview will work. To get the most up-to-date channel listings, you have to rescan your TV. Find the menu button on your remote control and follow the manufacturer's instructions. Connecting your telephone. In the top left corner of your home hub, you'll find your BT master socket. You'll also find a standard telephone cable hanging down from the home hub. Plug the cable into the telephone socket. After you've plugged it in, the panel to the right of the telephone socket, marked 1 to 4, will automatically become operational. This panel and leads will enable up to 4 working telephone points in 4 different locations around your apartment. Here's how it works. If you want a telephone in your master bedroom, take a look at the socket in the bedroom. It will have a number on it which corresponds with the number on the patch panel. Remove the cable in point 1. Take one of the patch cables out of the bag. Take your patch cable and connect it to number 1. Take the other end and plug into the relevant socket number in the patch panel. The cable you took from point 1 plugs into the socket in your bedroom, and then you plug your physical telephone into that socket. This converts the signal into a standard telephone connection. We've used the master bedroom as an example, but if you want a phone in the kitchen, lounge or second bedroom, simply repeat the process and all your phones will work perfectly. Connecting your broadband. Using your TVAV home hub, your chosen broadband supplier will connect your router to the broadband line to enable a wired or wireless connection throughout your apartment. Ideally, your router will sit on top of your home hub. Here at Woodberry Park, you have the most up-to-date system available. Each room has hardwired access points which can be used to connect your desktop computer, smart TV and laptop to the internet using the TP-Link Ethernet switch provided. On the back of most standard routers you will find 4 spare Ethernet ports. Take a patch cable and connect one end to the TP-Link and one to a spare Ethernet port on your router. Connect the power supply to TP-Link Ethernet switch. Now choose the socket you want hardwired, noting the number. Then go to the home hub, take a patch cable and plug into the corresponding number on the patch panel. Take the other end of the patch cable and plug it directly into any of the spare ports in the TP-Link Ethernet switch. That socket is now hardwired for broadband. You can now plug in any device for wired broadband access. Connecting your satellite or cable TV. In your apartment, you can have up to 2 Sky boxes. Ideally, your Sky box or cable TV box will sit on top of your home hub, next to your broadband router. If an engineer is fitting your Sky box or cable TV box, they will have all the connecting leads and will have everything working quickly. If you're installing it yourself, look at the back of your Sky box and you'll see 2 connections marked Dish Input 1 and Dish Input 2. Using your Sky leads, connect Dish Input 1 to the connection marked SAT1 and connect Dish Input 2 to the connection marked SAT2 in the home hub. You'll notice there are 2 SAT1 and 2 SAT2 connectors. It doesn't matter which ones you use. Now you need to connect your aerial. There are 2 options to do this, and it all depends on how old your Sky box is. If you have an older Skybox, simply connect one end into the TV socket in your home hub and the other end to the aerial in socket in the back of your Skybox. If you have a newer Skybox, you'll see a socket marked I/O port. If your Skybox has an I/O port, you'll need to purchase an I/O link from TVAV Direct if you do not already have one. Once you have your I/O link, connect the appropriate end into your Skybox and then connect your TV aerial point in your home hub to the RF in port on the I/O link. Then connect another aerial lead from RF out 2 on the I/O link or RF 2 socket on the older Skybox to the pre-installed passive amp shown here. There is a lead connected to the passive amp from SAT2 socket. Disconnect the lead. Connect RF2 lead to the port you have disconnected. Once you've done this, your Skybox will be visible only on your TV's analog channels. To view your Sky through your digital and HD channels, you need to connect via the HDMI cable. Sky provide one, which looks like this. Connect the HDMI cable to the socket in the back of your Skybox. Reach behind the visible HDMI connection on the front of the home hub and you'll find a lead where you connect the other end of the HDMI lead. If you don't have the correct Sky cables or you're unsure, contact TVAV Installations and you'll be able to buy everything you need to complete the job. Once you've got your Skybox connected, now's the time to make sure you can watch all your favorite channels in high definition. Firstly, in your home hub, you'll have found a big white box marked with Wirestorm. Open it up and inside you'll find two small boxes marked Transmitter and Receiver, two power supplies and some connector leads. Take one of the supplied HDMI leads and connect it to the HDMI socket in the front of your home hub. The other end goes into the transmitter. It's important we tell you not to connect any of the power supplies at this stage. You'll connect both at the end when everything else has been connected. Next, take another one of the patch cables out of the bag, connect one end to the transmitter, and then decide which TV in which room you want connected to HD. Note the Cat6 socket number closest to your TV in your chosen room. Then, at the home hub, connect the other end of the patch lead to the corresponding number in the patch panel. Returning to the TV, take the receiver and connect one end of a patch lead to it and the other end to the wall socket. Next, connect an HDMI lead from the white box to the HDMI out socket in the receiver, and then connect the other end into your TV. If your TV has a USB socket, you can power up the receiver by using the USB cable provided. If it doesn't have a USB socket, just use the plugs. Now is the time to connect both the power supplies, switch them on, and if you follow these instructions carefully, you now have Sky HD through your digital channels. In your white Wirestorm box, you will find what we call a magic eye. It looks like this, and it's incredibly easy to connect to your TV. You'll find clear instructions in your Wirestorm box to tell you how to do it, and you'll be up and running in just a few minutes. Woodberry Park's premium apartments are provided with a Sonos audio system. For information on setup, please visit sonos.com. We're at the end of the video now, and if you followed the instructions carefully, your home entertainment system is ready to go. There are lots of other benefits to your home hub, including having HD all over your apartment for Blu-ray, Apple TV and media servers, as well as additional Sky or cable boxes. Your apartment is also pre-wired for audio. We recommend the Sonos range, and if you're considering a purchase, Woodberry Park have arranged exclusive discounts for you through TVAV. If indeed you have questions, please contact our helpful aftercare service on 01727 828844. We hope you enjoy living at Woodberry Park. For our full range of products, please visit www.tvavdirect.co.uk or call us on 01727 828844.